Hey, I'm excited about RCS because I'm a messaging nerd, and this is the best thing that's happened to messaging in years. RCS creates that rich communication really between two people, point to point. RBM is the rich business messaging really that rides on top of RCS. So if you can think of in the SMS space, you have P2P, person-to-person communication, which is kind of like RCS. And then you have A2P, application to person, which is kind of like RBM. So it's the same type of technology, just evolving it to the brand space. RCS is definitely not just a marketing thing. Customer service and chatbots plays a lot into where RCS is going. You have a smart chatbot, then you don't have to have an operator sitting behind that chatbot necessarily. One of the benefits that you're going to see with RBM is, as a consumer, when you're interfacing with the brand, you're going to see the logo of the brand, you're going to see the name of the brand. So what does that do as an end consumer? Well, I'm going to trust the brand more because I'm seeing it's that actual brand. Instant brand recognition. Once you go into the message itself, you're going to see carousels, that rich experience. It's creating an in-app experience without having an app. So if I'm a brand and I don't have a high adoption into my app, RCS might be the next place for you to explore because you're getting that in-app experience without having the burden of creating that application yourself. You're going to know when your customer actually read that message, and that gives you metrics to know, ooh, is it a good time for me to send? What time of day should I send this message? How many messages? It might be message overload for my customer. It's going to give you better understanding the response rates from your customers. It's going to give you overall more customer engagement type metrics.